Good morning, dear students. Today I am with the topic thoughts. Thoughts questions. Higher order thinking skill. Thoughts. Now, from chapter 1. Chapter 1. This question is related from chapter 1. There is a number line. It is given. You have to find 2 points P and Q between A and B. A and B are 2 points. Here you have to find 2 points between A and B, P and Q. P and Q. Such that AP equal to PQ equal to BQ. With the help of this condition, you can easily say that the portion AB is the portion A and B contains 2 points P and Q, such that holds this condition. Similarly, in this side also you have to insert 2 points here, R and S. T and U is given. T and U is given. You have to find R and S. Now look carefully. Here you see AP equal to PQ equal to BQ. This means this portion AB is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. The point P and Q lies between 2 and 3. Lies between 2 and 3. So the value of P will be more than 2. The value of Q will be more than 2. Now the question is, what is the value of P? What is the value of P? What is the value of Q? Similarly, what is the value of R and S? Now, here you see this portion is divided into 3 equal parts, and from this point P is at first, Q is at second. So the value of P is here 1 by 3, since this portion is divided into 3 parts and P is from first position. Similarly, Q is at second position from A, first position of P and second position of Q, so its value is 2 and divided into 3 equal parts, so 2 by 3. Now the value of P equal to 2 whole 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. Similarly, Q equal to 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to 2 whole 2 by 3. Similarly, you can find here what is the value of R. R equal to, since it is left hand side from 0, so value of R and S both are negative, minus, and it lies between 1 and 2. So 1 whole, this is 1 and it is first place 1, and this portion is again divided in 3 equal parts, 3. S equal to minus 1 whole 2/3. Now, what is the value? Minus 3 1 are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4/3, and its value equal to minus 3 1 are 3, 2 5/3. Similarly, you can write here 3 2 are 6, 7/3, equal to 3 2 are 6, 6 2 8, 8/3. Hence, these all are P, Q, R and S are the rational numbers, required rational numbers. Now, we are going to, for the chapter 2, for the chapter 2, what is the next horse problem? Chapter 2.